Ha ka jing ai min siem ka bakrau na ka benta ka seng TMC Hanungston, West Khas Hills District, lapenlong ya ka jing elang block level meeting ha ka pratrik ubanai nopra hamadan ti saw ha ka badaki hajar ngut ki briu kilawan panyesno ktilang bat kini ka seng. Kini ka seng kala kamru ba ki briu ki belawan bat panyeso iladi batka. Kila kubur ya ka jing kiu stat jong kini ka seng hapo jong kini ka jela. U Presiden jong ka seng TMC ha kini ka jela u ba Charles Pongrup. Bat unong yalam jong ka Trinamool Congress Legislature Party, ubadeiru unong yalam jong ka liang persya hapo ka yung dorbar tauan ke jela, u Dr. Mukul Sangma. Kilap lipat ba ya ka office trikam jong ka seng hasor nongston, ya ka bala penbut pat da ka jingyalap ka ba job jong ka blok barok kawe.
That's why we all decided collectively to join and march with this Trinamool Congress. Because with the sense of utmost commitment and responsibility, we want to fulfill our purpose and responsibility to protect the interests, larger interests of our people.